welcome back. I'm Janie, this is Myrtle, the Volkswagen T4, and together we bring you tasty camping recipes. Yes, the cold is still here. Yes, I feel like death. But once again, I've struggled out of my warm pit to bring you another tasty recipe. So today we're making pizza, but we don't have an oven. So how do we make pizza? We're actually making a pizza pocket, so all the good flavours of pizza on the stovetop. You can do this over a campfire, you can obviously do it in your camper van, you can even do it at home. Flour tortilla. This is a homemade tomato sauce, but you can use tomato puree from the tube, or you can now get little tiny tubs of tomato puree, which are really handy to keep in your camper kitchen. So pop your tomato sauce on, and you kind of imagine that there's an oblong in the middle of your tortilla. Next up, some mozzarella. Oh, and you may have noticed that my pan is already on because you do need to preheat your pan, and this bit takes like seconds. Next up for Johnny's, we're having red onion, his favourite. We have a little bit of tomato because he's got to get his veggies in, and that's all there is about that. Some lovely ham from the butcher's that's just been chopped up. Spread it all out nice and evenly. You want a little bit of everything in every bite ideally. And finally, some pineapple. He is such a lucky boy. Now a little bit of oregano, that's just what pizza needs, and some black pepper. Now the clever bit, fold up the edges, fold that over your fillet. Oh, you know what, I forgot more cheese. Definitely needs more cheese. There we go. Okay, let's try again. Fold it over and fold that side over until you have, way too much in this wrap. Okay, I'm going to go for it. Fold side down on the heat, and we're going to cross our fingers that this one doesn't implode. Turn it over and cook the other side. So after a few minutes each side, just pop it out, cut it in half and serve it with a nice side salad. While I get this one ready for Johnny's lunch, can I just take this opportunity to say thank you very much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did, and share it with your camping buddies. Really looking forward to seeing you next Wednesday for our next video. Until then, happy camping!